Tapos yung event pala mga Zoobs is 71st anniversary ng hospital. Kaya tayo nandito sa pa-event nila.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoobs! Magandang araw sa inyo.
Watson? Yung heels.
Yes. Hi mga Zoobs! Magandang araw sa inyo. Hi mga Zoobs! Magandang araw sa inyo. For today's vlog tayo.
Alin dito?
Ay, nakailang take na ako. Hi mga Zoobs! Magandang araw sa inyo. So for today's vlog, tayo po ay mag-judge today sa isang event. At nandito na kami ngayon. Nandito ako sa ospital ng Quezon City and inaantay ko yung tawag sa akin. Pero ready na tayo para sa ating pupuntahan. So hindi ko lang alam kung nasaan yung ating sundo. Waiting. Antayin natin si Doktora. Pagkatapos nito mga Zoobs, marami tayong kailangan gawin. Pero ito muna. Planning pa lang. Pero yun na nga. Pag natapos kasi ako ng maaga, may isa pa akong rarakitin. Pero kung hindi matapos ng maaga, tomorrow na lang yun. So ito na lang muna ang gagawin natin. Let's wait and see. Start na daw tayo in 15 minutes kaya nagre-retouch lang tayo ng konti. Tapos na rin tayo kumain. Ayan, meron silang pagkain sa atin. Tapos yung event pala mga Zoobs is 71st anniversary ng hospital. Kaya tayo nandito sa pa-event nila. Ayan, dito tayo sa parang conference room. Dito ang waiting area natin. Waiting. So, wala pala yung ilaw dito. Punta na tayo ngayon dun sa venue kung saan tayo mag-chat. Okay na tayo dito sa
Just be yourself and don't make me forget who you are. Just who you are. Be more than my friend and you will get half of my heart. Half of my heart. Give me your best shot, although it's a shot in the dark. Shot in the dark. Name me your future and you will get half of my heart.
Sama sa palakpakan para kay Binibini Degana Subiri. First time ko siya makita personal. So, welcome po sa UMFC. Ma'am, ano pong in-expect ninyo sa ating mga performer?
I-expect ko na mas-surprise tayong lahat. Ihanda ang bawat isa po sa inyo. Sana po mag-enjoy lang din tayo ngayon. At maraming salamat nga po pala. Kayo na nga. Sa pag-ibig sa akin dito. Masaya po ako at nakasama ko kayong lahat ngayong araw na ito. Kabisala, Eshma.
Alrighty, so we just finished up downstairs. We had a little bit to eat. So we had breakfast and lunch put together because we were very, very hungry. And we did wake up a little bit late because we went to bed around, I think, 3 a.m. But Mimi actually slept from really, really early. It was like 8:30.
I want to sleep in the back.
I want to sleep on my back. So she slept at like 8:30 and she slept all the way through until around 10 a.m. So she had a really long sleep. It was like 14 hours. But anyway, since Mummy is at work and it's just me and the girls, we don't have any family here. Wala si Mami Eileen, wala si Ate Ima. So it's just me today. And we decided that we're going to go for a swim because the kids want to get out of the room. They want to get active, and it's actually looks like a pretty nice day so far. It's pretty sunny, so yeah, we are going to go for a swim. And then what are we going to do, Memes?
We'll get slushy.
Oh, we're going to get a slushy. We're getting a slushy pala. Ayun. So anyway, off to the pool, and we'll see you there.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.
Alrighty, so we just got a gift here from,
It's heavy.
it's heavy, from Ninang Aubrey Miles. Ayun, so she just sent this here. You want to check it out as well, Mimi?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Okay, are you show us what you got? Wow!
Oh my
You got a jacket.
You got a jacket.
It's like, I remember, what's her name had a jacket like that. Oh, wait lang. wait lang. Oh, you got to give it to Lele because that's her. Oh, you give it. Ayun, happy birthday, Ate Lele. Ayun. Oops. You got to pick it up.
What's that?
This gift card.
Wow.
Pakita mo. Oh, meron kang gift card pag nag-shopping ka sa Zara.
Ayun, may gift card. Yay.
Tsaka meron pang gift card para nga kapag magsha-shopping ka pa.
Yeah. So she got you a gift card. Can you show it here? Just so we
Grabe
can...
naman Ninang Aubrey, ang mahal naman yan.
Wait lang. Yeah, now it's in focus. Grabe si Nina. Yeah, it's nice. Remember, Leia had a similar jacket like that before?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Leila loves jackets like this. Thank you, Ninang Aubrey.
Makakapag-shopping ka pa, ang laki ng binigay ni Ninang Aubrey pang shopping.
How much?
Secret. Hindi pwede. It's a bit
Ayun.
big,
But that's perfect
lalaki ka pa
for
naman for winter.
next winter.
Oh.
That's perfect.
You like it?
You love it?
Thank you, Ninang Aubrey.
Wow. Ang ganda, oh.
Ganda.
I like it.
Nantay namin yung mga masahista na pala nag-doorbell na. For the first time since we arrived here sa Philippines, ngayon lang kami magpapamassage ni Andy. Thank you, Tita Aubrey. Tita Aubrey, para sa gift mo kay Aliyah. And thank you na rin sa lahat ng taga-QMMC sa magandang pagtanggap niyo po sa akin dyan. Nag-enjoy po ako sa lahat ng mga pinakitang talent ng mga contestant niyo. Grabe, ang gagaling niyo po. Tatapusin ko na po ang araw na ito dahil nasarapan tayo sa masahe. Kaya naman, mga Zoobs, maraming salamat sa pag-aabang ninyo sa ating vlog everyday. And syempre sa ating mga sponsors, maraming salamat po. Bye!